Welcome back, guys. Today's video, we're going to be pulling this transmission out of this International 1066 with this new gantry crane that I just got from Harbor Freight. If you didn't see the last video, go check it out. I was assembling this Harbor Freight 1-ton gantry crane. So first thing we need to do is block this rear end up of this tractor and move the jack stand out from underneath the transmission so I can pull it out. So let's get started. All right, there we have it. We've got it all blocked up. Took me a minute to get everything just how I wanted it. I want to make sure get this thing pretty secure because you don't want it falling on you. So next up, I gotta unhook some lines and miscellaneous stuff, and then I'll be ready to pull this off. So if you're enjoying this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to the channel. Sure, feels like pretty damn tight. She's loose. Getting closer. Pull these steps off. Stay on the outside of your tire over there. Like so. Treat you. I got two over here, I think. Okay. That fucker fell on it. It'd make a Okay. Break the seal. Come on down. Ooh. That was our
Looks like we actually need to come down a little bit. We're hitting on the bottom of it.
Let me. So it's better. Looks pretty loose.
I think there's clearance there.
Okay.
That's in that shaft. I think we're probably gonna have to.
Let me go up a little bit or up.
I can just come down. I don't know if you can come down or go up. Go up. Yep. There we go. I think it's gonna swing in a second. I'll probably go up some more here.
A little more up. Let me see.
I almost feel like that shaft has got something.
Oh!
Oh, shit.
There we go. Well, there you have it. Harbor Freight Gantry Crane worked awesome. Got that transmission right out of there. Thanks for watching today's video. Check back for the next video. I'm going to be pulling this torque amplifier out of this transmission. And we'll see you next time.